Just slid down this little rock. And there's a wren. I have a wren just in front of me here. This is a nice place. I've never been here before, so this is kind of an exploration. I've checked it out, of course, on Google Maps, on the different maps to see if there's trails, and there are. So it's should be a large deciduous forest up here, and also small water, little lake. So maybe there's something on that or around that as well. So I decided to take the first rest for the day. I only been walking like a half an hour from the car and up this hill. But it's a really nice day. I'm not in a rush. I dream about going out listening for birds and being in nature all week. So it's important to enjoy it when you're in it, I think. And the sun is coming up, the skies and weather is clearing, it's getting brighter, and it looks to become a really nice day. So I have, I don't know, about less than half an hour to go into that little lake, small water pond. Haven't been here before, so it's going to be interesting to see how this looks. For the moment I'm super happy, super impressed. This is such a nice area. There's a marsh down there, there's a lot of deciduous forest, there's this hill, there's this view. So just a fantastic spot. And I think this area is probably a old summer farm from the old days. There's a lot of walls and remains from houses, stables or whatever around here. So very interesting area. Really nice this. And a lot of birds. Place. Look at this, guys. How nice is this? The blue tit. I can hear a song thrush. Maybe you can hear it as well. Great tits down here. But the birds are not really out in the open today. There it is. It's just over there, and not a big surprise on the top of a pine tree. Let's see if we can film it. So I got it in the end. The sun crush. Got some film, one picture. That was nice. Really a springbird to me. That was nice. I am wondering, however, if I'm on the right trail or if I'm going the wrong way. So we need to navigate a little bit. Yes, this is where I am on the blue dot. I was supposed to follow this trail into this small water. So I think I'm gonna actually just check out this area, this road a little bit more, and then turn around and go back where I was supposed to go, because the lake is up in there. I'm probably jinxing it, but there's no wind at all at the moment. Just slid down this little rock. And there's a wren. I have a wren just in front of me here. Below that little bird. This is not comfortable, but I got the picture. So I just had this wonderful encounter with a wren. I was sitting just, I don't know, what is it, 4 meters from it. I was ultra quiet, and it was sitting there and claiming its territory. And I think I got some really nice footage of it. Handheld though, but what an experience. And now it flew off from the branch there and just down to this little forest patch, or denser forest, just below me. That was nice. So this is where I went wrong. There's a parting of the path here. I went to the right, supposed to go to the left. So let's go left this time. And as you can see, sun came up behind the mountain now. What a fantastic day. I can hear a tree pipit, not a tree lark that I've called it before now today, but I can hear a tree pipit. I'll attempt to get a photograph of it. What the tree pipit does is it flies up top of a tree and from the top of the tree and flies up in the air, and then it kind of whirls down while it sinks to the top of the tree again and sit there again. So it's a really nice behavior to observe, I think. I'm well on my way, I think, to the water, little lake. I don't know if you can see me because of the sun is straight behind me. So I'm well on my way. I think I have some left. No, I can see it now. There's a marsh here. Oh, look at this. This is nice. So I can't see any birds on the water. I don't know what I was expecting, but you know, maybe. But what a beautiful place, eh? Really, really nice. But of course it's a lot more open here because of the water, and the wind is a lot stronger. So my plan is I'll have my lunch at the base of that tree there, enjoy the view, enjoy my breakfast, and then decide what to do. I just saw two mallards, I'm pretty sure. Male and female. It's a very long distance shot. But there was birds on this water, so if it's just mallards. Even if it's just mallets, it's you know, some of the most common birds like the blue tit, mallard, a lot of the other ones that are very common. I guess if they weren't that common, they would be really sought after to photograph and film, because it's beautiful, beautiful birds. But like the blue tits, it's everywhere, so we're too used to it. So the willow warbler is such a busy bird. Not even a second on each branch. And for me, with this camera, it's not possible to film. But I think I got some nice shots. So it's definitely a willow tit. I think maybe at the moment there were two, but I'm not entirely sure. But they're super busy as well. It's just ridiculous fast. jumping around all the time and not sitting still for not even a second. But I think I got some cool pictures, so that was nice. It was a nice experience to see that. I believe it's building a nest in that tree over there. I'm not sure, but I definitely want to inspect that. But I think maybe so, because it's permanently going back and forth to that spot. So it's middle of May. It's the nesting season is starting, and I'll keep my distance to the birds. So I've been here for a little while, maybe 10 minutes, and I'll walk on, so not to disturb them anymore. So I decided to check out another path here before I go home. It's a circular path adjacent to the other ones that I've already explored. This one goes a bit closer to this mountain, and it's deeper into the forest, so it's I think this looks really promising, and I wanted to explore that. And the weather is really nice now. It's so warm, so I think I have to throw my jacket any minute now. Should be able to see it now. There we are. And that's not the easiest place to photograph the redwing. I just heard a lesser white-throat, and I'm hoping that it somehow decides to land right in front of me. So that's my cunning plan now. That would be so great. I had lesser white-throat last year. There we are. It's actually there. Hang on. So the lesser white-throat kind of came. Was sitting up in that tree, and then on top of that one. So a bit far off, but very nice to see a beautiful bird, and one that you don't see everywhere, at least not in Norway. I'm so happy with that. I heard it up further up this hill, and I thought, well, let's try it. And there it came. And I have another bird back here. It's so annoying because I can't decide what type of bird it is. I need to see myself. I can't decide what kind of bird it is. It's just like a. So, remember when I said that there was a bird I couldn't identify? I could recognize it, but not identify it. I just did, because it landed just in front of me. I was able to take some really nice pictures, I think, hopefully. And it was, of course, busy, but it wasn't, kind of not scared of me. So I was pretty close, 2 or 3 meters. Just amazing.
Oh, so you can hear I'm a little bit out of breath. I've gained some altitude, and I think I'm approaching the end of this circle path. Not the end of it, but where I was this morning when I went into that valley when I missed my trail. I just heard a couple of wrens, so I've been sitting here with this great overview of this little hill here, and I got some nice pictures of the wren, I think, and a couple of great hits visited, and the trees don't have all that leaves on yet. It's fairly thin, so it's a lot easier to spot the birds now. There it is, the wren. Lot easier to spot them now than it will be in you know, a week or 2 or 3. Okay, I'll continue down. All right, guys, that's it for today. It's getting afternoon now, so I've been up for a while. That was such a fantastic day today. The weather is nice and warm. It's a bit windy, but this is the warmest it's been all year. And we're only in the very beginning of May. Although I thought it would be less birds because of the strong winds, I've come to the conclusion that I didn't mind too much. So I've seen a lot of birds today. They're all very busy, very fast, very hard to both photograph, and with my gear and my competence, it's kind of impossible to to film, unfortunately. So that's how it is, but I'm really happy with those I have found today, and I think I have some really nice pictures. So that was really exciting day. I think long-tailed tit and the wren and not at least the lesser white-throat was really exciting finds today. So that was very fun. This is definitely a spot I will come back to. This was really nice, and it's only like not even 30 minutes from my house, so it's easy to get here. And I'm just blown away. Look at this. Welcome to Norway, guys. We rock. So thank you, guys. Thanks again for tagging along, and remember, get out and enjoy nature.